Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle, the Four Stars Sudoku. And I've already solved one regular puzzle, the Three Star Sudoku. So two puzzles remain, the binary and the Four Star Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, it's still Wednesday, April the 3rd, 2024. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Four of them I will solve in the evening. But now, let me continue with the second regular puzzle, the Four Stars Sudoku. And news of today, well, war day number 770. 770 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Yes, let me continue. 8294. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4. 24 printed digits. Wow. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2 twos. 3 twos. We have here 1 3. We have here 3 fours, 3 fives, 1 6, 1 7, 3 eights, and 4 nines. So the nines are a majority. Can I start with a 9? No. Well, not true. 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between second row, only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there, 9 in this column, 9 in the column next on the last column, only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, 9, cannot continue with the 9 now, need to wait. And we have a pair. The 4 and the 9 in this row. The 4 and the 9 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 9, 4 and 9. Alright. So in this row, we need a 5. We have a 5 in this mixed square. So no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. Need a 2 here. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between. Only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 in the second row, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. 5. Okay. 5 in this column, 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with a 3 in the last row. Should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes at there. Alright. And now, let me see. I need a 7 there, okay. Come on. Need a 2 here. We have a pair again. The 2 and the 9 in this row. The 2 and the 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 3 places left for the 2 and the 9 goes in these 3 boxes. 2 and the 9, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. And look, we have a 2 in the 9 in the second column, so no 2 and 9 in this box. 2 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. And now, let me see. 3, 3, 3, 3, need a 1 here. Well. Do we have all the 9s? And all the 9s are used that I can see. This is the one number 9. Okay. How about? Come on. 2. Well, more difficult. It will be difficult. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. And 8 in the second row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, okay. Alright. Need a 4, 4. And, 7. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. 4 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. And 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between. Only 3 places left. The 4 should be here, or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. 6, 4, and the 3 I need. Need a 3 here. Come on. Need a think. Need a 3 here. 3. Need a 3 here. Come on. This is taking too long. No 6 here. 6. Need a 6, need a 7. No 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Need a 6, need a 3. 3. Okay, need a 7. Here. Need a 7 here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row, no 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright. Need a 2 also. 2 there. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8. Need a 3, need a 9, need a... One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Alright, and now the 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, only place left on 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. Okay, we got you 6. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we need a 6 here. No 5, 5. Okay, no 5 here, no 5 there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 in that box. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those two boxes in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5, could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 in these two boxes. 5 in this column, no 5 in those two boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright. How about the 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So that column now only 2 places left, and 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. Need a 4 here. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So the column next, now only 2 places left. 4 could be here. Could be there. Here we have a 4. Here we have a 4. Okay. How about the 2 now? 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So in the column between, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column. Oh wait, 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, only 3 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 2. Here we have a 2. Okay. 5, 7. I need a 3 here. 5 and a 7 are left here. 5, 7, need a 3 here. 5, 7, 3, and the 8 is missing. I need an 8 here. Yeah, 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column 3 now only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. And need an 8 here. Okay, and I need an 8 there. 8 in this column, 8 in the first column, so the column 3 now only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. Well, need an 8 here, okay. How about 3? 3, 3, 3. No, how about the 6 then? 6, 6, 6, 6. No 6 here. 6, 6, need a 6 here. 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. No. How about the 1 then? 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so the column 3. No, only 2 places left for the 1. Goes together with the 8 as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. Well, 1, 4, so we need a 6 here, 7, and a 3. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there, so the 7 could be here, could be there. I marked those 2 boxes with a 7. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. Alright. Need a 3, need a 6 here. Alright. Need a 7 here. 7, 7, 7, 7. I need a 7 here. And I need a 1 here. I need a 1 in this big square. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 4, 4, need a 4 here. 5, 5, need a 5 there. And how about the 8? No 8 here, no 8 there. Need 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this one, no 8 there, so the 8 could be here, could be there. A lot of markings, Need a 5, need a 7, need a 3 here. 3. I need a 3 in this row. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. Only place left for 3 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. One box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing here. One box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next now only 2 places left. The 6 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next now only place level 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second one, no 3 there. So the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. The 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers the 1, the 2, 3. Is the 3 missing? Yeah, 3 and a 7. We cannot fill this yet. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and 7, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 6 and the 4, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1-star puzzle. Yeah, it should be a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. Regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.